Okay, there you can see the landslide. That picture was taken, several months ago. And now this is today. Look at the brand new chimney that the man in our church, Mihai, did. He and Danny and Mike as well have been up there, and he's in the construction, and man, he can do a good job, I tell you what. So that's really nice. It's a double chimney. So now I'm heading over to the landslide. One of these days I'll do a full, go all the way to the bottom of it. But anyway, so there you can see the road that the guy made with the track hose so that he can get all the way up there, so that he can get his truck all the way up there with fuel every day. That's his truck. And then he also, as you can see, he's already widened the entrance to the farmhouse so we can park more cars there than we used to. So that road is pretty steep. And it rained a little bit, as you can see. It's a little wet there. And when so I came up here, and then I found out that this truck was up here delivering these huge pieces of concrete, culvert or piping, whatever you call it. Oh yeah, he put off to the side. He will continue to put off some wood there so we can cut it up for the winter. But anyway, I saw that truck coming up, and then I realized the truck can't make it up. It's too steep. And you can see he's off to the side there. So he's heading up to the Traco guy. His name is Jaime, and I told Jaime if he ever sees the drone to wave at it. So he waves at it right here in a second. He saw me about right now, I think. There he is. He's waving. And so he's been working there for a couple of days. This is day 5, actually, and there's a trucker. So they're trying to figure out what to do to get that truck up there and get those other pieces. And I think it's loaded a little too far on the back of the truck, so he didn't have much grip on the front. As I've seen it, that's what I think he's doing. Anyway, they're trying to figure out what to do. And you can see there the various trenches he's making. It's a little hard to see the depth. The depth perception is a little difficult to understand. But anyway, so here, let's see. I turn around, and yeah, I'm very, very novice on this drone. I do not want to hit a tree branch again. And so anyway, there I find myself, I'm on top of it. And there they are still talking about it. And so at this point I decided to go on back to where I am. I'm back at the farmhouse. There's the truck. So I go back, and I put up the drone, and right as I put it up, I saw that truck making another run for it, and I realized he's trying to get up there. So then I turned it back on and went after it again, and there he is. He's trying to make it up that hill. He tried several different times, and then he gets about right there, and then all of a sudden, there he goes, man. He's about to tip over. And so I just let it go, brought the drone back, and then I saw something. I got the drone back out and flew over there again. And okay, here's making another try. Sorry, I forgot about this one. So here's another one. And he ends up doing the same. You can see, I think those things are a little far to the back. But anyway, he's trying to get that truck up there. It is really steep. It's a lot steeper than it looks. And there he goes. He goes right there, and there he goes. He's about to get off again. So I brought the drone back, and then I saw something else, and so I pulled out the drone again and went flying over there, and just in time to catch Jaime dragging it up there with his Traco. So I didn't stay for any more. I had to come back home. So anyway, I imagine he pulled it a little farther and took him off. I don't know. We'll see tomorrow. Okay, take care.